Hello guys, once again I am in my another video and we have already discussed about how to present yourself in my previous video, but in that video I have already told you that I will come up with my another video. So again I am here presenting this topic again because in that video there was nothing like so I thought that I should present this topic like this way, I think on the board, because there will be everything will be in written. So I think that's why I decided to do this. Yes, so now let's start from again from the very beginning. The first thing is, whenever you are going to present yourself anywhere or just you are facing audience, okay, on any stage or any platform, so I think this is the very important topic because we don't know that how to present yourself. So it's very relevant for us to know about some fact, some tips that how to present yourself in front of the audience. First thing, keep in your mind. First thing is this, like, introduce yourself, right? Introduce yourself means, what's the meaning of introduce yourself? Like, introduction doesn't mean that you said only your name. It is the enough for in your introduction. I think that is not the thing. There are just I am just talking about here like brief introduction. There are two types of introduction also. There are like brief and some detailed introduction. Detail means like they will ask you some question to you, like about your family and about your more and detail about your qualifications. So don't do these kinds of things. You have to just, if you are introducing yourself, you have to focus on just 3 or 4 things. Like, first of all, name. And name means, if it is possible, there is no need I think to use your surname also. Just tell your name, but it depends on that particular place that where you are. If there is any particular, it's just informal, you are introducing yourself, you can use your surname also, because right now there are some MNCs also, they are not asking for your surname, so you have to just tell only your name also. So first of all, name, like this is Rahul, or there are 2 or 3 ways of introducing your name also, like this is Rahul, yeah, I am Rahul, yeah, my name is Rahul. And if you go more detail, so how can you introduce yourself? Like I think suppose there are audience, and in that way you can say like, yeah, there are some new faces and who don't know me. I think so first of all, let me introduce myself, like I am Rahul and I am just completed my this graduation or whatever you have, or if you are working any company or any MNC's company, so you can just give your experience also, or as a post also, like I am working as a CEO or as the particular employee of any company. So these kinds of things you can add in name and qualification and work experience also. That's I have 5 years of experience, 2 years of experience. So these kinds of things you can add here. So first thing, like name means my name is Yashwant Rajput, and qualification, I have completed my graduation, and work experience, I have 2 years of experience in teaching or any field, whatever you are in. Okay, so this is the introduction. Second thing is introduce your topic. This is also the very relevant tips, because if you have any topic, for example, I just write it down here, environment issue. Okay, environmental, we can say environmental issue, because if you are talking about this particular topic, so just do one thing, because what happened, like if you are discussing any topic, the problem is this with all of us, that we are not able to speak along about that particular topic. So like environment, so how to just extend or how to expand your topic. This is the best way on any environment issue. First of all, just you have to just introduce that particular topic, like giving some tips, like I'm going to talk about this particular topic in this particular topic, or like first of all just discuss about the problems of the topic. Problems means like, yeah, this is the problem in that particular area just because of environment. So like I will give some solution also. So while saying this problem and solution, what you will be finding there, like problem, you will have some 2 or 3 minutes that you can speak on this particular topic, and then after you will give some solution also. So I think it will be also very beneficial for you, that it will elaborate your topic, right? So problem and solution, these kinds of things. And the third one is use easy words. Easy words means like I think you might have also noticed that there are different kinds of speaker, like they always try to speak or they always try to speak difficult words. Why we are here? We are not here to just to make them very confused to our audience. We are here just to make them understand whatever we are just addressing here, whatever we are just giving. The motive ours is like they must be understood about each and everyone. So always try to use easy words. Easy words means very communicative words. I think in English there are some 2 or 3 thousand words which are very normal words on which we can just communicate each other. We can just and discuss. We can just exchange our views. So I think these are the words, because sometimes almost not everyone, but sometimes it is done by many speakers that they try to use difficult words, and difficult words, if audience are not understanding your words, then definitely they are not able to get you properly and what's the meaning of your speech. So just keep in your mind this one thing also. Make an eye contact. Eye contact, it is also very important. Like if you are giving any speech or the audience are listening you carefully or not listening you carefully, so at that point of time you have to just focus on each and everyone. Each and everyone means like if there is thousands of a number, I think so it's not possible to make an eye contact with each and everyone. But eye contact means like audience, like if you are just keeping an eye on that corner, it means the people who are sitting in that particular corner, they are just getting you that yeah, the speaker is just paying attention towards us. And if you are paying attention that at this side also, so the same thing is happen. It means eye contact means you should have a glance on each and everyone. This kind of thing. Dealing with question and answer, yeah, this is very difficult task. Almost it happens. Like what happens whenever we are interacting, sometimes audience can ask you the question also, and at that point of time what happens that we don't know the answers of that particular question. So at that point of time you can just deal with those kind of question by saying some 3 or 4 tips. Like for example, right now you can just say, yeah, it's a very interesting question, and I think I have just allotted the time at the end of the session, and I will definitely give the answer of this question. So by saying this, you can just go away. You can just deal with that particular question at that particular time. And the second thing is also, you can say like, yeah, you have raised a very interesting question, and I think it's very relevant. But definitely, right now I am not in the position to give the answer of your question. Definitely, we will discuss later, or we will discuss at the end of the session. So these are the questions. Like audience are very happy at that point of time that someone who is asking the question, I think he will think that yeah, definitely he will give the answer. So I think that is also the thing. So by saying these kinds of, there are some more ways also to reply in these kinds of questions, to deal with these kinds of questions. But I think that is enough for today, and I hope that you will get. So again, these are the tips, like 2, 3 or 4, 5 you have to keep in mind. First of all, introduce yourself, introduce your topic, use easy words, and make an eye contact, and dealing with question and answer. So it was a very simple topic. I just make it very short. It has many things to speak, but for today I think that is enough. Thank you guys.